Miss Ross, insurance agent ka rin pala ni Sun Life. Yes, insurance agent ako ni Sun Life. Share ko lang sa inyo to kasi may nagtanong sa akin kung ano daw yung kaibahan ni Sun Life of Canada, Philippines kay Sun Life Grepa. So, ano nga ba daw yung mas maganda? So, eto. Si Sun Life Grepa kasi, or formerly known as Grepa Life, that is all Philippine-owned life insurance company. So, yung mga products nila, binebenta through their partner, which is si RCBC. Kaya pag nagpunta kayo ng RCBC branch, may makikita kayong Grepa Life Insurance, na ngayon ay makikita nyo na as Sun Life Grepa. Why? Because in 2011, nagkaroon ng partnership between Sun Life Financial and Grepa Life. It means, si Sun Life na yung nagmamanage ng Grepa Life. Kaya, binago na din yung pangalan to Sun Life Grepa. If magpunta kayo sa bank and you ask for life insurance product, ang tawag nila dito is bank assurance. Pag sa bank nyo kinuha yung life insurance. So, if pumunta kayo sa RCBC, they will offer you a Sun Life Grepa as bank assurance or life insurance. Kaya mapapansin nyo, yung mga products ngayon ni Sun Life Grepa is similar to Sun Life products na. It means that same lang yung product because owned na siya ni Sun Life. Kaya through this partnership, mas marami ng Pilipinos ngayon na ma-educate, lalo na yung mga pumupunta ng bangko, na they now have a chance to get life insurance. So, si Sun Life Financial naman, isa siyang giant in the industry. Siya yung pinakamalaki at pinakamatagal dito sa Pilipinas since 1895. So it tells you about the stability at siya din yung #1 life insurance today. Kaya ano man yung piliin nyo, si Sun Life man or si Sun Life Grepa, you're still choosing a very stable life insurance company.